Step 3, you want to take a scarf that has two ends, it's like this, and you're going to flip your hair forward like so. And then you're going to take one of the sides of this and open it up, place it over your head, and stick your hair through the other side like so. Then you're going to flip it back, and then you're going to just fold the top part, tuck all the hair inside of the sleeve like so. Make sure all of it's in there. Bunch it down, twist, and stick the end in the front like so. And that way your hair is being moisturized inside of the scarf, and it's a protected style, and that is setting your hair so that your hair stays moisturized and it has a nice even set for when it's time to go to bed. Step 3, twist your hair up into the scarf, into a protective style. This is step 3.